Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Oh, I didn't have my microphone over here. It might be too quiet. Let's bring that over here. Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it is February 4th, 2021. Good morning. We're talking about cooperation today. We've been talking about relationships all week long and how you can make your relationships with people better. So today, let's talk about cooperation. But first, let's stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nicely done. You can have a seat, sit up nice and straight, and let's think about cooperation. So we're talking about relationships this week. That's how people get along with each other. One of the cool things about having relationships with people is if you have relationships, you can cooperate with those people and you can get a lot more done, right? You could tackle a big thing that would be too hard for one person to do by themselves. Like back behind my house right now, they're building these huge apartment buildings. There's no way they could do that with one person by themselves. But I see all the workers out there cooperating and working together, and when they work together, they can lift these huge, heavy walls. There's a whole bunch of other things we can do to cooperate and work well with others. It's kind of hard. You don't always get your own way when you're cooperating, right? You got to compromise. You have to let other people take a turn. You might have to let somebody else pick the game at recess. So I want you to chat today. How can you cooperate and use cooperation to build better relationships? And specifically, what can you and your friends cooperate on today? And cooperate means work together. So what can you work together with your friends on today to make your relationship stronger and to make today awesome? Have a great day, Achieve.